Okay, dear friends, I got up early and just decided to take this time, do nothing and waste some of my time. I think I deserve to waste my time. Doing something that no purpose, no goal, no reason, just because I want to. So oftentimes we are lost in life because we have a great purpose. How about we rewind ourselves and do not put any of such pressure on us. Just do some drawing. Just waste some time. The so-called waste. There is no result. We do not know where this will lead us to. But is it important where it is going to lead us to? It is not important. There is a reason, a tempo, a pattern in the things we do. Sorry, I'm quite lost just because I keep blah blah blah. I do not know what I am trying to say. It is not important anyway. Yeah. Okay.